So we have a problem. So lock nila, diba? So asan na yung kaputol niya? So broken. So it must be placed in here. So that's the problem. So need to replace this rotor na.
Oo.